Welcome! If you're tired of those annoying Facebook pop-ups showing up while browsing on your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent pop-ups on Facebook web using the latest update. It's simple, quick, and will make your browsing experience a lot smoother. Let's get started. First, open Facebook web on your PC. You can do this using any browser, but for the best results, make sure it's up to date. Once the site loads, take a look at the top of your screen, right next to the web address bar. You'll see a small icon that looks like a lock or a circle with an eye. Click on it. This is called View Site Information. After you click it, a menu will appear. From here, choose Settings. This will open your browser's settings panel specifically for Facebook. It's where you can control permissions like notifications, camera, microphone, and of course, pop-ups. Now, scroll down until you find permissions. Under this section, click on More Settings, Permissions. This is the part where you can fine-tune how Facebook interacts with your browser. Look for the option that says Pop-ups. You'll see it listed with a small drop-down menu next to it. Next to pop-ups, choose Block. This setting stops Facebook from showing any new pop-up windows or unwanted prompts while you're browsing. Once you do that, you can close the Settings tab and refresh your Facebook page. And that's it. You've successfully blocked Facebook pop-ups on the latest web version. No more distractions or surprise pop-up messages getting in your way while scrolling. You can now browse, watch videos, or chat with friends without interruption. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might be frustrated by the same issue. Thanks for watching.